It's the Samsung Galaxy XR, a mixed reality headset running Google's Android XR operating system. But here's the big question, is it any more repairable than the competition? The plastic shell covering the sensors appears to be glued on, so I'm applying heat all around and using a thin metal flex tool and an opening pick to pry it away. Unfortunately, that does nothing for me. It seems like the plastic plate and clear shell can come away as a single piece, though the tolerances for getting a pry tool between the aluminium frame and the plate are pretty tight. We've made our way into the device, and what have we here? Naughty naughty Samsung. It's actually illegal to use wording like this in devices sold in the US. I'm going to go around and remove every screw I have access to. There are 3 press connectors under these grey plastic tabs that also need to be disconnected. This is exactly why we don't like hidden screws. I forgot about the warranty void sticker and the single Phillips screw underneath it. Sure enough, that does release the plate. A few press connectors and 3 screws are all that's holding this relatively tiny board containing the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 along with memory and storage. In most other devices I've seen, the thermals are layered on top of the SoC, not underneath, so it's interesting to see the dual fan vapor chamber combo sandwiched between the screen and the SoC. At this point I finally have access to the screws to remove the headband from the aluminium frame of the headset, after which I'm going to go around and again remove every screw in sight across the plastic midframe. The 2 press connectors at the bottom here lead to the downward-facing hand tracking cameras embedded in the aluminium frame. Once those are disconnected, I need to gently lift the board up and unclip the plastic attaching the fabric shroud to the optical stack. It's a bit fiddly, but doable without too much hassle. Once I've freed one clip from each eye, it's easy enough to do the rest from the lens side. Like most mid to high-end VR devices hitting the market recently, the Galaxy XR uses pancake optics which help condense the Z height of the optical stack. There are 2 eye tracking cameras inside each module, and each stack is individually controlled by its own motor for IPD adjustments. This optical stack housing Sony's 4K micro OLED panel running at 90Hz is the single most expensive component inside this VR headset. Head on over to our channel to see the whole teardown.